G'day, this is Red Nectar. I wanted to give you a quick rundown on how to get my Sudoku Assistant downloaded and running on your Windows PC. To start with, you'll need to go to sourceforge.net, and if you do a quick search for Sudoku Assistant, you'll find the spreadsheet. Once you've clicked the download button, then you'll find it gets downloaded to your downloads directory or wherever you've got your browser pointed to. Once the file is downloaded, there's a couple of things you've got to do before you can actually use the spreadsheet. First of all, we're going to open it, and when we open it, we'll be presented with a warning. Notice it's Microsoft 365 we're using here to open it. You'll need Office 365 to be able to use the spreadsheet. The first time it's opened, you'll have to click on this Enable Editing, and that will then bring up another security risk warning. Now, I can't just click on that and get rid of that. For that, to fix that, and I could have done this before I started, of course, I need to close the spreadsheet completely and go to where I downloaded it, right click on this, go to Properties, and then I have to unblock it. Okay. Now, once I've done that, I can click OK, and now when I open it, I'll get one more warning, subtly different to the last one. It's another security warning, but this time it says Enable Content instead of Enable Editing. Once I have enabled content, I can now start using the spreadsheet. I can click on these buttons to run the macros, start the puzzle, generate a puzzle, etc., etc. I'll talk about that in another video, but for now, that's all I wanted to cover in this video. I can get a quick summary of what I just talked about if I go to the Files tab here, which has got the README, which talks about how I need to do the enable editing, how to get rid of that, how to do the unblocking, and how you have to click on enable content before you get started. That's it for this video from me. I'm Red Nectar. See you next time when I tell you about all the options that are in the puzzle setup page.